Hello and welcome to An Image is Worth 1,000 Words. My name is Rob, and don't forget to check out the rest of my blog posts on my website at robhextall.com. Sorry, did I just burp? Hello! This week's image is of a cow taking a break from eating grass in a field in the Soba Valley in Cantabria. Did you know that cows burp? And that the methane gas that escapes when they burp is a massive emissions problem? Let's find out more. Here is this week's question. How do we stop cows from burping out methane? Before you start, check that you understand this vocabulary. Pause the video to make sure that you understand everything.
Cows contribute significantly to climate change due to the methane they emit during digestion, primarily through burping. Methane, although shorter-lived in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide, is a much more potent greenhouse gas. In the UK, cattle are responsible for a substantial portion of agricultural methane emissions, making it a key challenge in the effort to decarbonize farming. With farming projected to become the UK's largest source of emissions within 13 years, solutions to reduce methane output are urgently needed. One promising approach is the use of feed additives to reduce methane emissions from cattle. Companies like Sea Forest, an Australian firm, are developing supplements from red seaweed that can cut methane emissions by up to 90%. Sea Forest aims to introduce this seaweed additive to British farms, potentially leading to lower methane beef available in supermarkets like Morrison's. Another major player in this field is DSM Firmenich, whose supplement, Bover, has been licensed for use in the UK and is being introduced by retailers. Bover is expected to reduce the carbon footprint of milk by nearly 10%. Experts highlight the importance of these feed additives in rapidly reducing methane emissions, a critical step in slowing global warming. However, there is debate over whether the use of these additives should be mandated. While some farming bodies see the potential benefits, they are resistant to mandates due to concerns about measurement challenges and the financial burden on farmers. Moreover, integrating these supplements into cattle diets poses practical challenges, especially for cows that are primarily grass-fed. The effectiveness of such additives is more easily controlled in intensive farming systems where cattle are housed and fed consistently. However, this raises concerns about reinforcing practices that may negatively impact animal welfare. While feed additives could play a role in reducing methane emissions, experts argue that they are not a comprehensive solution. Other factors, such as improving soil health and increasing carbon sequestration through trees and hedgerows, are also crucial for achieving net zero emissions in agriculture. Feed supplements are seen as one tool among many, rather than a standalone solution to the complex issue of agricultural emissions.
Let's chat about the image and those ideas. Number 1. Describe the picture in as much detail as possible. Are there any cows near your home? Number 2. Should methane reducing feed additives be obligatory or voluntary? And who should pay for them? Number 3. What other strategies can we use to reduce emissions that are contributing to climate change? Number 4. Have you ever visited a farm? Or do you know someone who owns one or works on one? Number 5. Do you know if the meat you eat comes from animals that feed on the land or from intensive farming? And here's a quick activity for you. Think about all the types of animals that are reared to produce products for human use. Make a list and describe what products come from which animals and describe how we use them. Meat, wool, leather, etc. Thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. Have a good day, have a great week, and an absolutely fantastic weekend. Bye!